Hi, my name is Ari, Technical Support Specialist here at Spectraflow. Today I'm going to be taking you through the process of manual nesting and job adjustments in EFI's Fiery XF software. In a nesting workflow, Fiery XF arranges the pages on the nesting sheet in accordance with the workflow settings. Jobs are processed when a defined state has been reached. This is done automatically based on having the nesting option checked within the System Manager. As we move into the Job Explorer, I'm going to import a single file and make some manual adjustments to it. I've selected my file, and as I import it, notice that I've selected the Hold Job option. That will prevent the image from being processed immediately, allowing me to make changes to it. I'm now going to make a couple of adjustments to the viewing area so it's a little easier to see the image. And now we'll move over to the Layout Options tab so we can make some adjustments to the image. The first option we have is Image Rotation. You can choose to rotate the image by 90, 180, or 270 degrees. If you select Minimal Media Consumption, images are rotated automatically if media wastage can be reduced in this way. So we'll go ahead and leave it at Do Not Rotate, and we'll move on to the next option. You can increase or decrease the output size of a job by applying a scaling factor. You've got 5 options here. The first is Do Not Scale. The second is Fit to Sheet Size, in which the job width or the job height is scaled to the printable width or height of the media, whichever is reached first. Next is Fit to Width, in which the job width is scaled to the printable width of the media. The next option allows you to scale the job based on a %, and the final option allows you to scale the job numerically, or in other words, by choosing a specific width and height. I'm now going to demonstrate manual nesting. Now remember, you must uncheck the nesting box within the System Manager. First thing we're going to do is import our images. Select the 4 images I'm going to use for this nesting. I've got the 4 images. I hit Open. I choose Hold Job so I can change the settings within the job. And now my images have been imported, and I am going to click on each image, make sure it's imported properly and I can see it. And I will now highlight all 4 images, and I will go ahead and right click and choose New Nesting. And now I've got my nesting. And now I'll show you some of the layout options you can apply to the nesting. Under Optimization, you'll want to choose Media Consumption most, if not all of the time, as this will ensure the least amount of media wastage. The Orientation option allows you to choose the layout of the nesting, whether portrait, landscape, or you can maintain its original orientation. The Uniform Scaling option allows you to increase or decrease the size of all jobs within the nesting. I'm going to go ahead and scale all the images within my nesting to around 7 by 5. If you wish to preview your changes prior to print, you must select the Apply button. And now you can see each image has been enlarged and laid out according to the settings I chose. I'm going to go ahead and increase it even further to around 12 by 10. I'll hit the Apply button, and voila! All 4 images have been enlarged, nearly filling the entire sheet. Let's go ahead and scale down our nesting back to its original size, hit the Apply button, and now our final option is Spacing, in which you can indicate how much space should exist between each image. I've made my selection, hit Apply, and now there's a 1/15 of an inch between each image. Also, if you have multiple nestings laid out on a single sheet, you can choose how much space is around each nesting. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.